Hey everybody, and welcome back to another lecture with Coding with Roby. In this lecture, we're going to create a new function called getCurrentUser, which is going to be able to decode a JWT token, and we're going to be able to then validate what user and ID is inside the JWT. This is how you authorize when we're sending tokens in with other APIs. So the first thing I need to do is import one more thing. So from JOSE, I need to import JWT error. And now let's scroll all the way to the bottom, right above create user. I'm going to create one more function called getCurrentUser. So we can go ahead and type in async def getCurrentUser, and as a parameter we're going to say token of type string, which equals depends OAuth 2 bearer. We then want to add try and accept. Inside the try, there to be payload equals jwt.decode. And as the parameters, we'll say token, secret key, and algorithms, which is equal to algorithm. Our username of type string, which is equal to payload.getSub, which remember sub is the actual username. User ID, which is of type int, which equals payload.getID. If username is none or user ID is none, we want to raise an HTTP exception of status code 404 user not found. And if username or ID is not none, we want to return a dictionary of username and ID of user ID. And in the accept, we want to add JWT error and make this raise an HTTP exception of a status code 404 user not found. And we're not going to test this quite yet. We're going to test this getCurrentUser when we start modifying our main.py file to now deal with to-dos and users, and we're going to have to decode some JWTs. This wraps up this lecture on creating the getCurrentUser token, and I will see you in the next video.